Hey you guys, come Christmas shopping with me. Hey guys, so we're gonna check out the dealership so I can look at a few cars. I kind of changed my mind on what I want to put the 30s on, so you know, like we're just gonna go check out a few cars. I'm with my mom. So yeah, she's gonna help me pick out, you know, the right car. Hopefully we'll find it, you know, today or whatever. So yeah, we're about to head there now. Alright, so we stopped at 7 Brew right before we go to the dealership because I definitely need some espresso to keep me awake because I'm a little bit tired. I got, I think, a funnel cake blondie with marshmallow and whipped cream and caramel drizzle, and then I also had a free drink, so I got it for free. Now we're about to head to the dealership. Okay. Hey guys, we're here at Land Rover, Range Rover. Me and my mom are about to look at some cars. I was gonna put the 30s on my Genesis, however, I changed my mind. So now we're just gonna look at a few cars, see what I like. I don't know. Help me decide. You know, maybe you guys have some input on what car I can do. It can only be first in the world. You know, first in the world on 30-inch Forgiatos. So, all right, let's take a look. Oh, this is nice.
I like the gray one.
Wait, let's go look at the white one.
One up there that I liked?
Yeah, the one up there.
Okay. I haven't got it.
This thing's kind of cute.
It is.
How do you say that? Evoke?
I believe.
The 2025 Range Rover Evoque Dynamic.
It's all full of snow.
I like gray cars. Oh, look at the light going on.
That is cute.
I like that.
It's more of a silver.
Isn't it though? It looks like gray at first, and then it came up close, it's like gray.
Can't really see much.
You think you guys could see me in this? This is cute. The black on black.
I like the black on black. Much. Yeah, definitely. Are the rims chrome that you're getting, your new ones?
Yeah.
Yeah. I wouldn't. Really? Oh, that's not good.
Don't say that on camera.
Well. Nice. Oops. Sorry. Oh, nice.
It's so good.
Very nice.
I really like the handles. I don't know why. That's
They're
like
different.
a minor thing, yeah. I kind of like this one. I don't know why.
Which one?
This one, like the wood.
Oh. It's big. No, I'm not a fan of the large SUVs.
The inside.
Kind of hard to. There's a lot of reflection. Kind of hard to tell.
All right, so we're about to go to a couple of other dealerships so we can check out some more cars. Try to decide on what I want. My mom's gonna come with me, of course. She's helping me decide, and you guys, of course, too. All right, let's go. All right, so we're at the front of the Mercedes dealership now. So let's check out some more cars. I like this blue one. I think it's really cute. I don't know what it is, but
Go around back and you can see.
oh yeah, that's cute though. I like that. I like that black one too.
That black one? That black one? I like that one.
It's somebody's car though. It's pretty. Yeah, it's a nice car. But it looks pretty. Let's go to the front over there. Don't fall.
I almost did.
My friend, he wants me to get a GLE so bad. I do like GLEs. They're nice. They're so cute. I mean, so they don't. I really like the GLE. I think it's so nice. It has like a different look. I really love the red interior, stuff like that. So, let's go look at them. I really like this one. I think this one is so nice. Like the glass and everything. I think this one's cute.
This one's really
Oh,
cute.
is it green?
Oh, it is.
Oh, that's cute.
Can't tell the lights on it. Kind of cool.
Oh, that's cute.
What about the one? What about that one? I mean, granted, the windows are not.
It's like a matte black.
Yeah.
That's kind of cute. It's kind of little though. I like the matte black though.
Mm-hmm. That black is cute. Which one?
End it. End it and download it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's freezing out here. But found another one. This one's kind of cute. It looks the same, but it's like gray. I like the interior. It's cute.
Nice interior. Sorry.
Yeah, this is a GLE.
Nice.
So maybe put my 30s on this one. Maybe. Look at this one.
I'm going this way. Yeah, it's pretty icy out here. It's waiting for Mom to fall on her face.
This is the 2025. I almost fell nice.
It's cute.
Yeah, I like this
Is that the jelly as well?
one. No. I don't know what that is. It's something else. Alright, so this is the GLC. This is kind of different. I don't know. I think it looks cool. AMG GLC. I've really never seen any one of these. 2025. Oh, I like the interior. That's cute. Look at the screen. That's really cute.
It's a little hard to tell between the light and reflection and the
Come
spots.
this way.
Still, but regardless.
Yeah. What about this one? Look at a mini. This is the one, guys. This is definitely the one. This minivan.
Oops. We're gonna have to bleep out that license plate. It's a nice car.
Yeah, that's cute. What is it?
A turbo.
It's a hybrid.
It,
25 AMG. Ooh, look at that screen.
trying to find him.
Ooh, look at the back seat.
Nice.
Nice. I like that. Okay, and then let's go to the front.
Okay.
This is kind of nice. What is it for this? This on 30s.
I could see that one on 30s. Hi, you guys. So we are freezing. We are trying not to fall on the ice because it just snowed. We're about to get out of here. Probably go get something to drink, like some hot chocolate or something. Yeah, that's it. I think we'll still keep checking around. Haven't found something that I'm like totally set on. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Hey, you guys. I just woke up. About to head to my drop off, taking the dogs out right now. It's about 2 hours away. Then I'm gonna grab another load and head home.
Right now since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the word what it is. 10 a.m. You're still sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the word what it is. All these birds, they get curved what it is. I don't frown a lot. Lately blessings coming down a lot. I see my fam, I can't be down and out. Since 17 they tried to knock me down. Don't ever count me out. I could go round for round. Don't need no friends, don't need no one around. I get some blues, I get to thumbing down. It comes to me, don't do no running around. No time for running around. I get upset when things don't go my way. I get upset but I cannot complain. I save a bag to spend on rainy days. Diamonds for my bae, those type of things. 10 a.m. You're still sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the word what it is. All these birds, they get curved what it is. me say something. How could you be stagnant when it's bass thumping? Cause she threw the hoop and I grabbed it and dunked it. My game comes to me, no, I'm not forcing nothing. I'm on go mode, please don't.
They like sitting in front of the heat. You guys like sitting in front of the heat?
Wait up, me plus motion, that's a layup. Pick and roll, give and go, take it, finish strong. Night after night, remember when I would stay up. Fight after fight, knocked down but I found a way up. No picking sides, I got my friends, down for the ride, far from the end. 10 a.m., you're still sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the worm, what it is. All these birds, they get curved, what it is. 10 a.m., you're still sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the worm, what it is. All these birds, they get curved, what it is. Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I had. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. Cheers to my past, I'm doing great now, just in case they ask. In the booth and I lay it down, I might take a nap. And they thought I was playing around, I was up like my tax. Living fast, over limit on the freeway, hope no cops pass. Had to dip out for a minute, yeah that's my bad. But I can't stay for too long, I gotta go.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a reaction to this video. It has something to do with like a semi, I'm guessing like an accident or something. Okay, so let's watch it.
I really know.
Oh my god, that's literally like my hair. And then like I just know like as soon as you, oh my god, as soon as you hit that bridge, oh my god, like I'm terrified. I always look up at the bridge, but like, oh my god, I'm terrified. Like, I don't know, I feel like I've always been like that. I'm like, if I don't feel like a bridge is tall enough, like I've even like stopped in the middle of the road and I'm like, I can't go under that, I can't go under that. Oh. Like, and I'll wait till I see another semi go under it, or like I feel like it's safe. But in the beginning I just like stopped in the middle of the road and like just waited, because I'm like, if worst comes to worst, you can call the police and they'll like help you get out or whatever. But oh my gosh, trailer is like just smashed. It's funny because I have a friend that actually did that and then blamed it on somebody else. That's so funny. So apparently most of you guys did not watch the video, but I definitely broke everything down step by step. I'm gonna drag it out as long as I want. Literally, I'm gonna drag it out as long as somebody else tried to drag me on Facebook. So I'm gonna drag it out and I'm gonna defend my name the whole time. I keep all of my receipts. My thing is, if you're not guilty, post the receipts. Post the stuff. You know what I mean? Like, defend your name. Post the proof. Where's the proof? I came with receipts. Where's your receipts? Post the invoice. If you're not lying, post the invoice. My thing is, my rims didn't take that long. You tried to lie and you're still trying to lie. That's the crazy part. So I'm gonna post the invoice again. I don't have to fake an invoice. All I had to do is call up Forgiatos and be like, hey, I need the invoice for this. Guess what? They emailed it to me. So if I got a screen record, I got a screen record.
And it's the principle. Like, I gave you my money. You spend it on your truck. You try to drag me on Facebook. You didn't even pay for the rims for 4 months. 4 months. Literally 4 months. And, like, finally gave me my rims after I blasted you on the internet. No. I wouldn't keep going. You just thought, you know, I was just gonna lay down, and I'm not. By the way, I break it down step by step on exactly everything that happened. I post all the screenshots, the receipt, the invoice that people said was fake. I posted literally everything because I come with proof and I come with receipts. So yeah, like, you know, the people that are literally just, you know, on his side and being like, oh, this and that, literally just dick riding because he don't have no proof. So